going to create a design there. I will take the different shapes. It's a round rectangular shape here. Use the different features. Take it. Change the pattern here. Let's apply the different shapes. There we have. I will apply a rounded made a shape for it. Let's use the different picture. So here we will apply the changes around it. We will take the design there.